Do you know you can make money from a life insurance policy plan? In this video, we are going to show you the right life insurance policy plan to purchase which will make you money. So make sure you watch this video to the end. This is Video Connect TV, your #1 entrepreneurship channel. Want to take your business to the next level and make extra income? Then, subscribe to Video Connect TV now. Purchasing a life insurance policy is an effective way of ensuring your family's financial protection in your absence. Among the insurance policies, there are two types of policies: term and life insurance. For pure insurance coverage, I would recommend you use a term insurance policy. However, if you are looking to make money or earn assured returns from your plan, then you can go for a life insurance savings plan. Saving plans provide you with the benefit of insurance along with investment. With this plan, you can invest in a disciplined and systematic fashion. These plans help policyholders ensure their family's financial security in difficult situations like disability, critical illness or death. However, with the myriad of life insurance policy options available in the market, it becomes difficult for individuals to select the one that suits them. To be on the safe side, it is necessary and important to ensure your cherished life is insured, so that no matter what happens, you have peace of mind and at the same time make money or earn assured returns from your life insurance plan. Hence, if you are in Nigeria and you are deciding to buy a life insurance policy plan that you want to make money or earn assured returns from, then click on the link below this video to know more. We have got the best life insurance policy plan from a reputable insurance company in Nigeria for you. If you have not subscribed to Video Connect TV, please click on the subscribe button to have access to all our videos. Video Connect TV channel is an entrepreneurship channel where we make videos on what aspiring entrepreneurs can do to take their businesses to the next level. We also make videos on some profitable online business opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs, which will help them make extra income online. So if you want to learn how to take your business to the next level and make extra income, then click on the subscribe button below this video now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.